So we at Cutting Edge Capital are always looking for new industries and that are going to be innovative, and companies that are going to provide products and services for a better future. Whenever we try and find a company that might fulfill those requirements, we need to ask the question, what does the future hold? And really, whenever we try and answer it, no one really knows. One thing we know for sure is that the future has shown, in the past, the future has shown that we need to adapt and act very quickly in many circumstances. Materials and resources are always being developed and advanced in any crisis, pandemic, recession, or war that we've seen. And we can see that happening today with some shortages of face masks and different resources. And people have been trying to do something to get that to be fixed. And a cool technology that people are using is 3D printing. They've been printing heavy-duty gloves, masks, face shields to provide for healthcare workers, neighbors, family members. But that's not the only thing that people use it for. So 3D printing is not that new of an idea. I understand it was tried first in the 80s, but it has come very far and shows a lot of potential and has adapted in different ways. Throughout the years, many different materials, printing designs, and printer designs have been tried and tested, and there are many out there. People can print anything from tiny little screws all the way up to big parts for spaceships. So it really does show a lot of potential in that sense. But also many companies are flexible with what they print, and they'll print different items depending on the necessity there is in the nation or the state or the county. So having done many hours of research just on the topic of 3D printing, there's a very interesting subcategory called bioprinting. And a company we'll be looking at that deals with bioprinting is CellLink. We'll look at them as a company in the industry, the technologies used, and the potential as far as growth and revenue goes. So CellLink is a fairly new company. It was first started in 2015 and 2016 whenever it really started taking off. And they use bioprinting as aforementioned. And this technology is used for culturing and developing different cell types and tissues. These are used for transplants, cosmetics, and even clinical uses as well. So CellLink's main goal as a company is to try and address the extreme shortage of organs in the world that are required for transplants. This is what they're working towards in their technologies, and they continue to get closer to that each and every day. Not only does this have unlimited potential, but it's not just experimental. In 2017, revenue grew for CellLink by 196%, and it continues to grow today. Now, is this really the best choice, being something so new? Having done research on it, CellLink is the best company to invest in because of what their goal is and the growth of potential they have shown. They are serving for a better future. They are trying to address problems that are going to help in the future. Bioprinting, being the subcategory of 3D printing, just continues to grow, not just in CellLink, but throughout the world. So they're testing their technologies throughout the world's most prestigious research centers, and schools, including Harvard, Stanford, MIT, and even the FDA. And just all these facts don't really leave any question. There really is only one obvious discussion when it comes to 3D printing. It is the future. It serves for a better future, and it holds so much potential, not only in the technology advancement, but the growth in revenue. The opportunity is unmatched in today's startups and different industries, and serving a purpose of developing human organs to help with the millions of people who need transplants is just an awesome way to serve for a better future. Their company continues to grow and is gaining ground, not just in the United States, but all over the world in 50 different countries. I believe they are developing now. So, I mean, this really is a no-brainer. Thank you.